Warning, warning, warning. Did I just get hacked on the Pulsechain Bridge? Well, the short answer, guys, is no, I did not. But I want to avoid you guys having your own personal heart attacks. So I just put together this very short video just to show you a very short fix that I've used the bridge a lot. I didn't realize that this was one way to check what was going on. So I want to share it with you, so you in the future, if you do seem to have a hiccup, you can check it yourselves without going on some dodgy forum and without having a small heart attack. So what happened was I had 1 million EHEX transferring it to PHEX, to Pulsechain I should say. So moving it across the bridge from the Ethereum network to the Pulsechain network. Now I've done this regularly, isn't usually a problem. As you do it, you pay the gas fee and then you get confirmations count up. It takes about 30 minutes. When it gets to 96, then all your coins are in your wallet, but on the Pulsechain network. Now what happened with me was I had $14,000 in my wallet. I transferred $4,000 worth of EHEX from Ethereum. I cheaped out on the gas fees. The gas fees last night were higher than I paid in a long time. It was about 25 bucks to do the move. I reduced it down to about 15 bucks. It was happening overnight, so I expected the fees to drop and the transaction to go through. When I got up in the morning, the fees hadn't dropped, the transaction hadn't gone through. That is one of the risks of being cheaping out on your gas fees. So I increased the amount. The thing seemed to go through, but then I looked at the front end here and I could see that I had 0 hex. There was no hex transferred across to Pulsechain, and then when I looked in my wallet, I saw that the EHEX was no longer on my Ethereum network and it was no longer in Pulsechain. So that is where I had my heart attack, and it took me about 5 minutes of panicking to work this out. I was going to get on a forum, but as you all know, some of these forums can be very dodgy, and there is no help desk, and we all know and love that. So if you see at the top there in the middle, it says transactions. Thankfully I spotted that, because this front end looked like everything had gone. Usually the front end shows you the confirmations and they tick up from 0 to about 96 or 97, and once those confirmations are all complete, then your funds have been registered on the Pulsechain blockchain. So you click up here on transactions. Really simple, but I didn't know it. It's simple when you know it. This loads up and it gives you your previous transactions, which you would does make sense. But what you can see right at the top there, December the 4th, on the right hand side, you can see the confirmations of this just under 1 million hex being transferred from Ethereum to Pulsechain. So when I saw that, I had a huge sigh of relief, and I know that my value was being transferred and hadn't been lost. So that gave me a lot of confidence, a lot more confidence that in fact I had not been hacked. Okay guys, now I do have a couple of hypotheses about liquidity providing with EHEX, PHEX at the moment. Check out my other videos, or I'll attach it to this one, build it out a little bit. So just pop down below, boop the like, spank the subscribe, but do it gently. Ding the notification bell to all, and then when I get around to dropping my next video, I don't tend to do them on schedule because I am a chiropractor, I'm working busy with that at the moment, then you will be amongst the first to know. Okay, Dr. H out.